Hello, I'm Andreas Bunter and I've been a service technician at Fristam Pumps for many years. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the motor on the FDS Nano. Observe your internal safety regulations. You can find additional safety information, tool sizes, torque values and other technical information in the FDS operating manual or on our website. First, place the pump with the attached motor vertically, facing upwards on a solid surface. Loosen the 4 screws of the motor fastening. Remove the entire pump from the motor by pulling it upwards. Remove the coupling spider and check it for wear. Replace the current motor with the new one. By default, the new coupling half must sit flush with the motor shaft. Place the coupling spider in the coupling. Place the entire pump on the motor and adjust so that the coupling interlocks. Fit the 4 screws of the motor fastening and tighten them. Move the pump and motor back into a horizontal position. You have now successfully replaced the motor.